Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Amrina Farosade. My study number is C11 2021 02422. I'm here to give you a presentation seminar, and the title is The Manifestation of Kübler-Ross Stage in Character Development and Narrative Structure, a literary analysis of Sound of Metal. This study explores the intersection of disability representation, psychological theory, and narrative structure towards the film Sound of Metal. We'll examine how the Kübler-Ross model of grief provides insights into the portrayal of acquired disability in film by analysis the protagonist character development and the film's narrative structure, where we aim to understand how psychological process of adaptation are represented in contemporary cinema. This research contributes to both film studies and our understanding of the disability acceptance journey. Let's delve into these compelling interactions of psychological disability studies and film analysis. Okay, and next slide. Introduction, brief overview of disability representation in contemporary cinema. Introduction to Sound of Metal. Significance of the film in disability narratives. Recent years, cinema has seen a significant evolution in disability representation, moving from tropical portrayals to more nuanced and authentic depictions. Sound of Metal, directed by Darius Marder and starring Riz Ahmed, exemplifies this shift. The film tells the story of Ruben Stone, a drummer who suddenly loses hearing, offering an immersive perspective on acquired deafness. Its significance lies in the deep exploration of the psychological journey associated with disability, focusing on emotional and intellectual challenges beyond more exploration of the psychology journal associated with disability aspects. Sound of Metal provides a unique lens to examine the adaptation process, interesting disability representation, character development, and psychological theory. This makes the film an ideal subject for analyzing how contemporary cinema portrays the complex experience of acquiring and adapting to a disability. Next slide. Research problem gap in literature. Limit research on psychological models in filmic narrative about acquired disability. Research question. This study addressed a significant gap in current research, the limited exploration of how psychological models, particularly the Kübler-Ross model, manifest in filmic narrative about acquired disability, while extensive research exists on disability representation in media and the application of psychological models to various life experiences, their intersection in film narratives remains unexplored. To address, we pose the following research question. How are the stages of the Kübler-Ross model, denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance, manifest in the character development and narrative structure of Ruben in Sound of Metal? Furthermore, how does this manifesting reflect the complexity of the self-acceptance process in narratives of acquired hearing disability? By examining this aspect, this studies aims to shed light on how psychological process and represented in film and contribute to our understanding of the disability experience. And this slide, theoretical framework, the Kübler-Ross model, brief history and development, 5 stage, denial, anger, beginning, depression, acceptance, application in non-death context. including disability. The theoretical foundation of this study is the Kubler-Ross model, also known the 5-stage of grief, introduced by psychiatrist Elizabeth Kubler-Ross. This model outlines 5-stage typical experience when facing significant loss or life change: denial, anger, beginning, depression, and acceptance. While originally development when original development for terminally ill patients, the model has since been applied to various forms of loss and significant life change, including the onset of disability. It's important to note that these stages are not necessarily linear or universally experienced. In the context of this study, the Kubler-Ross model serves as a lens to analyze the character's development. Ruben in Sound of Metal film narrative structures, exploring how this stage may manifest in the portrayal of acquired hearing disability. This framework allows us to examine the emotional journey of adapting to disability as represented in film. Next slide. The character development in film concept of character stage of development is crucial element in film narrative, referring to the transformation or inner journey of a character throughout the story. In his study, we focus on character of Ruben in Sound of Metal. We will examine how Ruben's character evolves, particularly in relation to his experience of sudden hearing loss. Key aspects of character development to be analyzed include Ruben's initial stage and worldview, the incident of hearing loss, the challenges and conflict he faced, his growth and change, and his final stage at the film's conclusions. This analysis will be conducted with particular attention to how Ruben's character development may align with or diverge from the stage outlined in the Kubler-Ross. By examining character development through these lines, we aim to provide insight into how psychological process of adaptation to disability. The analysis will be conducted with particular attention how Ruben's character development may align. Examining character development through this lens, we aim to provide insight into how psychological process of adaptation to disability are represented in film narrative. And next slide, narrative structure in film. Basic elements: relationship between characters development and narrative structure in film refers to the organizations and presentation of a story to the audience. This study examines how the narrative structure of Sound of Metal rationally aligns with our reflex. The stage of the Kubler-Ross model. Key elements of narrative structures to be analyzed include plot, the sequence of events, setting, time and place, conflict, central challenge, and climax, point of highest tensions, and resolutions. How the story concludes, we will focus on how these elements potentially correspond to Ruben's psychological journey as the adapts to his hearing loss. Special attention we will be given to how plot point align with different stages of grief and acceptance, how the setting reflects Ruben's internal stage, how conflicts relate to the struggle of adapting to disability, and the significance of the climax and resolutions in relation to the acceptance stage. This analysis aims to uncover how the film's narrative structure contributes to the portrayal of the psychological process of adapting to acquired disability. Okay, next slide. overview, synopsis, and this unique approach to depicting hearing loss, critical reception, and aware sound of metal, directed by Darius Marder, follows Ruben Stone, a heavy metal drummer who suddenly lost hearing. The film stands out for its unique approach to depicting hearing loss using innovative sound design to immerse viewers in Robert's experience. It explores themes of identity, addiction, and acceptance, offering a nuanced portrayal of the deaf community. The film authenticity is enhanced by the involvement of the deaf community in this production and the use of actual sign language. Sound of Metal has received critical acclaim for this authentic portrayal of deaf culture. Riz Ahmed's powerful performance as Ruben and its technical achievements, winning 2 Academy Awards for Best Sound and Best Film Editing in 2021. This combination of authentic representation, innovative storytelling, and critical recognitions makes Sound of Metal an ideal case study for examining the representation of acquired disability and the psychological journey of adaptation in contemporary cinema. And last slide, research method, quality type, research design, case study approach, data source, Sound of Metal, data collection and analysis technique. This study employs a qualitative research design, specifically a case study approach to analysis Sound of Metal. The primary data source is the film itself, supplemented by secondary sources such as technique. This study employs a qualitative research design, specifically a case study approach to analysis Sound of Metal. The primary data source in the film itself, supplemented by secondary sources such as interviews with the director and cast, film reviews, and relevant academic literature and analysis involves close interactive viewing of the film, focusing on Ruben's character development, narrative structure, and other visual elements that contribute to the portrayal of hearing loss. The Kubler-Ross model serves as the primary analytic framework with each stage: denial, anger, beginning, depression, acceptance, as lens to examine Ruben's journey. The coding process includes identifying key signals, coding elements according to Kubler-Ross stage, and concluding thematic analysis to identify patterns to ensure the study employs rich description, peer debriefing, and reflexivity in the analysis process. This methodological approach aims to provide a systematic and thorough analysis of how the Kubler-Ross stage manifests in the film's character development and narrative structure. And I end my presentation this afternoon. Hopefully the knowledge I have conveyed is useful. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.